Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today we are completing in maths a two-dimensional shapes activity. Now you can print this off if you like to complete it at home. Otherwise, you can complete it directly on Class Dojo through worksheets. Before you begin, you need to pop your name at the top. So after watching the video on the slides about 2D shapes, you would have learned that a 2D shape has length and width, but no depth to it. So in other words, it is a flat shape. So you will see we have columns that have shape, sides, vertices, and items found. Now the first thing you need to do is start from the beginning and look at the first shape, which is here. Now we know that that is a circle, so what we need to do is put the name of the shape just here. So when we look at the first shape, the circle, we know that it is a round shape. So there are no sides and no corners or vertices. So therefore we will put 0 for both. Now the next part for this activity is to find items in your home or at school that are in the shape of a circle. So if I look around my house, I have a circle rug. So what I would do is list circle rug, or I could draw it. So in my home, I have that is a circle shape, a rug, a container, a cushion, and a basketball. Now if we look at this shape here, it is called a rectangle. So I'm going to put in the name of this shape. Let's count the sides of a rectangle now. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides to a rectangle. Now let's count the vertices, which are the corners. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total there are 4 vertices on a rectangle. So in my home I have found the following items: a book, chocolate bar, a ruler, and a remote control. All of these items are shaped like a rectangle. It's now your turn to complete the activity. We have a circle, a triangle, a square, rectangle, and an oval. So you need to complete the whole activity and name the shape. You need to tell us how many sides the shape has, how many vertices the shape has, and items that you have found that are in that shape. So you have the option of listing your items, or you can draw your items and label them. It's up to you however you would like to do it.